Hello guys, your boy Ran is here. Zero Gravity MNL gave us a PR package. So let's check what's inside. So let's go, let's unbox it. First we have this carry-all bag in blue colorway. Super spacious, pwede siya for school, office, and everyday use, and here how it looks when worn. Next we have denim tough toe. Paborito ko yung ganito nila kasi binigyan na nila ako before. Double-sided, double-sided. So ayun nga, pwede mo siya baliktarin depende sa mood. The other side is denim and the other side is stripes. Next bag we have black denim Rico tote. Ito talaga sobrang spacious, pwedeng laptop, pwede lahat. Kahit ari-arian mo, ilagay mo, madami siyang pang secure na snaps, tas compartment, pwede mo siyang suotin ng ganyan, bitbitin mo ng ganyan, tapos isukbit mo sa balikat mo, okay. Next we have red stripe Juno tote bag. Ito pwede siya pang aesthetic lang, pang coffee shop, beach, pwede rin. Pwede mo siyang bitbitin ng ganyan-ganyan. O, di ba? So, Zero Gravity MNL gave us 4 tote bags. So, check their IG or their website if you wanted more like this. Follow me for more. Bye!